You just found the 2017 Volkswagen e-Golf. This vehicle still has fewer than 30,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. The future looks bright from the cockpit of this Volkswagen e-Golf, the all-electric hatchback that gives you a zesty, responsive drive and an impressive suite of safety features in a smartly styled, eco-friendly package. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. All fun, all the time. That's the all-electric e-Golf. Come in and take it out for a spin. Our team will make it the best part of your day.